Do you want to learn a secret? Do you? Okay. Everybody sucks at names. Boom, 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 boom. That is why names are so goddamn important. Alright, signori, it's Elia from eliacanu.com, and today we're speaking about the importance of names. Signori, my goal with these videos and channel is to get you closer to who you're destined to become and try adding the 1% value daily that is eventually going to transform your life. So why are names so important? Everybody sucks at them. I do, you do, that person over there looking at me does. Actually, there is nobody, I'm just kidding. You get the point. Everybody sucks at them. And that is why if you can get to remember somebody's name, that means that that person is gonna remember you forever. You didn't need to, nobody does, but you did. And because of it, that is gonna be completely different for that person forever. So why are names so important? Well, it's very simple. From our childhood, that was literally the first sound we had ever heard, coming from our mother, from our father, from our family members. And because of it, we got so adapted to associating that with a positive memory coming from somebody that we clearly love, or at least I hope so. Given that case, we get so attached to our name as far as calling that the most beautiful sound we ever heard. And that is actually something coming from How to Win Friends and Influence People, a great book on social dynamics that you would definitely like. I would even get to the point to say that names have the ability to influence the job we earn, where we live, who we marry, the grades we get, and whether we get signed for a particular job or not. Has it ever happened to you that you go out, you meet somebody new, but you don't quite understand their names at first glance? Well, in those kind of situations, take a step back and just be like, I will learn your name, or I will get it right. Simply this amount of effort that you're gonna put into taking the time to learn somebody else's name is literally gonna change their perception of you long term. And because of it, it's gonna be a great investment for you. That is why a lot of marketers, for example, they're gonna use your name whenever they are proposing something to you. Jake, good morning, Jake. I would like to expose you to an offer that we got from you, and it's only for you, Jake, just so you know. It's not for anybody else's. So, okay, Jake, would you be interested into rolling in with us, Jake? And that sounds kind of weird, right? But at the same time, there is a reason for it. Simply because we get to trust the things that we know already. And something that we know already is our name in this kind of scenario. And because of it, marketers are gonna use it a lot of times simply to gain trust and gain time in order to speak about whatever it is that they have to offer. That is why instead you want to do something a little bit different, and that is remember somebody's name, yes, however, use it sparingly. Use it only once, either at the start of the conversation or at the end of the conversation. See, the other person will love you for that, simply because you took the time to not only remember the name, but get it correctly. So, to recap everything, now you were allowed understanding the importance of names, and so get them correctly. Don't give them for granted. It's really important that you actually remember somebody else's name, and use it sparingly. Use it only once, either at the start of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. However, do not use them too much, simply because it's gonna feel kind of weird. So in our call to action, this is an action-based video, so that means that the things that you're gonna learn today, you actually need to apply them. And that's a beautiful thing about it. So when you get to meet somebody new, either today or tomorrow or in the upcoming future, make sure to remember their name and get it correctly. Take the time to understand how to pronounce it right, and especially remember that. So signori, to get to know me personally, you can find me at Canu Elia on Instagram. If you're interested, I made a quick read on how to thrive in high pressure situations. It's an ebook and it's also free. Engage with me in the comments. I'm really looking forward to hearing if this managed to bring value to your daily life, and hit the notification bell so you can actually stay engaged with the upcoming videos that are gonna come. My mission with this content is to get you closer to who you're destined to become. And with this, I'm gonna leave you and I'll see you with the next video. Alla prossima!